Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog, and this time magsa-staycation ulit tayo. So we are already on our way to check-in sa airport hotel na ito try natin, and this is Savoy Hotel Manila. We arrived sa hotel around 1 p.m. something. And as you can see guys, medyo may pila yung sa check-in nila. Ang standard check-in nila is 2 p.m. pa. But we were able to get our room around 1:30. And flash ko sa screen kung magkano yung binayaran namin for this stay. Ayan. So I booked through Agoda. And inclusive na sa stay yung breakfast buffet for 2 adults. So medyo not bad na yung price niya, around 3,000 plus net compared sa mga neighboring hotels dito sa tapat ng airport like Hilton and Sheraton or Okura. Ayan, mga medyo pricey na dun. As you can see guys, maganda naman yung room, medyo may space naman for luggage. And ayan, ang view mo talaga is yung NAIA Terminal 3. Katapat na katapat lang siya. Ayan, so we got twin beds. I'm with my best friend April. And later Faye will join us then. As you can see guys, meron din silang basic amenities like safety deposit box, coffee and tea, bathrobe, and meron ding slippers. And yung bathroom nila, medyo maliit lang yung space pero malinis naman, and meron ding mga toiletries available. And syempre may bidet na super important sa atin, alam nyo yan. And may hair dryer, yes. So after namin mag-settle ng mga gamit sa room, we headed straight to Newport Mall para lang mag-late lunch. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa Resorts World Manila, and maganda yung vibe and ambience dito. As you can see guys, ayan, ganda yung lighting, pwede mag-picture-picture dyan. Ayan. And most importantly, mabango, as in yung mga typical expensive hotel smell. Ganyan yung amoy dun sa area. Meron ding Wolfgang restaurant dito kung gusto nyong magwaldas ng pera sa date. Charot! Pero ayun, we ended up eating at Fiery Style restaurant. Ayan. So nag-order lang kami nung bundle na nila para hindi na mag-isip ng mga orderin pa na separate items. So may kasama na siyang rice and ribs, and may choices sa main entree actually. Pero pork ribs yung kinuha namin. And ayan, may kasama siyang plate of appetizers, may fries, nachos, and salad. I think around 1,798 siya plus service charge. Not bad na for 3 persons. Nabusog na kami ng sobra. So ayun, pagbalik sa room, naglagay lang ako ng ganyan na quote na gagamitin ko for my Instagram reels, paandar. Ayun. And we decided to check out the swimming pool after. Ayan guys, medyo matao yung, hindi lang medyo, sobrang matao yung pool nila. And parang same nung sa Lime Resort Manila, pero ang difference is maliit lang yung pool dito. So parang hindi siya super conducive for gusto nyo talagang mag-swimming, like yung may laps, ganyan. Parang more on kids yung nagsiswimming kasama yung family nila. Ganun yung vibe. But still, na-appreciate pa rin naman namin yung aesthetic ng architecture ng place. So, nagpicture na lang kami. And then, after that, nag-chill lang sa room, and then bumalik kami dun sa Resorts World Mall. So, we are on our way na to just have some light snacks and coffee dahil busog pa rin kami dun sa heavy late lunch namin. Ayan, mga fresh. Ang fresh para sa laban. So, I decided na dalhin yung friends ko dito sa Madison Lounge and Bar sa loob ng Hilton, Manila. Dahil masarap tumambay dito, as in, parang mga third time ko na dito. Ayun. Medyo pricey, yes, but maganda kasi may live music and masarap naman din yung food nila. Especially yung desserts, which is yun naman yung yung goal namin tonight. Ayan, as you can see guys, medyo malawak yung range ng choices sa mga baked goodies nila. Ayan. And pwede rin kayo mag-take out from here ng mga breads or pastries. Kasi lately, ayan, parang ganyan na lang yung mga bet namin na meet-up session, ganyan. Mag-coffee, mag-dessert sa magandang lugar. Mga social na vibe, ganyan. As titas. Charot. And ayun, syempre, kailangan nating mag-video at mag-picture-picture sa place. Because pics or it didn't happen ang peg. Ayan, diba guys, ang ganda. Pati yung mga cakes nila. Medyo pricey, pero I swear, lahat ng cakes na to na-enjoy namin. Masarap lahat. So, ayun. Masarap pagpalipas ng oras talaga dito kasi sobrang chill ng vibe. And ayun nga, may live performance usually. Pwede rin kayo mag-request ng mga songs sa performer with a tip, syempre. And as long as alam nila yung song and alam nung nagpe-play nung instrument, ganun. Nag-order din pala kami ng pizza para hindi naman kami super maumay dun sa mga sweetness ng cake. Ayan, masarap din guys, I swear. So, ayun, happy naman sila. And may I mention na kapag member pala kayo ng Hilton Honors, meron ding 10% discount dito. So, ayun, naka-discount kami. And yung nag-take out si Ate Faye ng pastries na naka 50% off na. So, ayun, naka 2,400 plus lang kami. So, pwede na rin kasi na-enjoy naman talaga namin yung vibe. Ayan, for another Instagram reel, paandar. So, the following morning, let's check yung breakfast buffet nila. I can see guys na maganda naman yung menu. Medyo malawak din naman yung choices. Ayan. Self-service yung coffee nila. And ayun, merong breads, ganyan, desserts. Actually mix ng Filipino and international cuisine, ganyan. Typical na hotel buffet breakfast. The thing is, sobrang busy nung breakfast nila kasi ang liit lang ng space ng restaurant. So I suggest guys, if you're going to have a breakfast here on your stay, agahan nyo around 7 or earlier. Kasi by around 8 a.m. may pila na sobrang haba dun sa restaurant. So ayan, we were ready na to check out. And iniwan muna namin yung luggage namin dun sa hotel and nag-explore pa kami dun sa area for coffee, tambay, ganyan. So ending, bumagsak din kami sa walang kamatayang Starbucks. Ayun. So ayun, nag-chill lang kami dyan, tambay, and chikahan. After niya, nag-decide lang kami na mag-take out ng pastries para pasalubong sa bahay. Ayun. So ayun, nagpunta kami sa Okura, Manila sa Japanese hotel, a luxury hotel. Sobrang ganda dito guys. Nakapag-stay na ako dito once because of a discount. May cousin ako na nag-work dyan. And ayun, medyo mahal kasi yung rate dyan overnight. Pero super worth it, as in. Iba talaga yung vibe dito. Even yung breakfast nila, bongga. May salmon sila sa breakfast. Ayun. And ayan, nag-take out lang kami ng donuts and muffins. And may 20% discount ako because I'm a One Harmony member. So, for like 8 pieces of pastries, around 600 pesos lang yung binayaran namin. Ayun. Maganda rin mag-picture-picture dito sa lobby nila. And grabe yung public toilet nila dito guys. Tignan nyo. Very aesthetic. And merong pa hand towel sa loob. Ganun kasi siya. So after noon, dumaan naman kami sa Hilton Manila and nag-take out lang si Ate Faye ng cakes from Madison. And nakagamit ulit kami ng discount from my Hilton Honors membership. Na free lang naman. So guys, mag-member kayo sa mga ganyang hotels para maka-discount kayo pag magdadine, ganun. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for joining us in this staycation. Sana nag-enjoy kayo and nakatulong yung information guys. See you in my next vlog. And bye for now.